Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to make a Henry vacuum popsicle with gumball eyes. That is. So the first step is you have to drill it, then copy. So when it's finished, and it's ready for 3D print. So, you have to make a size, and away you go. After it's done, you have to use sanding or filing on those rough edges. Then, it's time to paint it. It's going to require of those real Henry vacuum. I got the Henry vacuum cleaner from Cessford. So the next step is you have to print the wrapper. And I print off the 2 Nedic vacuum popsicle with gumball eyes. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for amazing videos. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys later.